Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we just finished our mulch bed project on Oxford Circle. The rain caught us, so Macario's cleaning off the driveway as best we can. We did get all our beds installed. Our Zenith Zoysia sod is coming Wednesday with topsoil. We're going to install Thursday. Tighten up these edges a little bit. We sprayed underneath with Roundup. The homeowner's got a young grandson, so we really didn't want to overuse chemicals. But this is a good, combined with a preliminary spray, natural weed barrier. And it makes this otherwise rectangular yard interesting. Close-up of the Kubota skid grader. We are so pleased with this product. It has just made all the difference. Could not recommend it enough. Did a nice circular bed around the tree. Got those unsightly sprout limbs trimmed off. Really makes this tree look a lot bigger than it is. We'll have to obviously pull all this flat. Super Sod's bringing us some of their composted super soil. We're going to put down a layer of that first, just as a precaution. These mulch beds will stop the washing. We're hoping it's going to retain water. Got this bed, sort of an island or peninsula bed, whatever you want to call it. Got it cleared out, all the vines. Had probably a 150-pound root ball of sawbriar seeds or eggs, whatever you want to call it, roots. Kind of interesting. We'll get all this sodded next week. We got the grade cut down nice. Fill up against our slab. We're going to be extending this porch roof, open patio room for the homeowner. Got a lot better path for the water through here, keep it out banking up against the house. And that's it. It's Friday. So if we can help you out with your exterior renovation projects, whether it's landscaping or roofing, please give us a call.